This is Godox AD300 Pro, a portable strobe that caught my eyes when I was looking to expand my compact wireless flashes. I already got the smaller models, AD100 Pro and AD200 Pro, for a few years, and technically I'm very happy with the system. They handled very well different scenarios. I love compact gear and most of my shoots are office studio, and such a powerful small equipment is no doubt my favorite. Today we'll have a look at Godox AD300 Pro and Godox 85cm foldable parabolic softbox, which can be converted into a beauty dish. Oh my hey, and let's get these guys tested today. So I've been using the AD300 Pro for about 2 months now. I used it in product photography, portraiture, and the studio photography. It's a powerful source of light with a bright modeling lamp and decent control settings. Here I got the AD300 Pro next to the 200 Pro, next to V860 flash, and the little compact AD100 Pro. The 300 Pro technically got the same menu as the 100 Pro, a bigger battery and a more powerful output. And when it's compared to the 200 Pro, it shares the same length, not the dimension. Same battery size, but not the battery capacity. The 300 Pro, including the battery, weighs about 1260 grams, 2.78 pounds, whereas the 200 Pro weighs about 900 grams, 2 pounds. And the 100 Pro is 530 grams, 1.16 pounds. This video is sponsored by Advanced Media. Advanced Media is an authorized distributor for several camera gear and lighting brands in the UAE. They got a huge showroom in Dubai and provides a great after-sales service. Thank you Advanced Media for providing this kit for this video, however my review is completely independent. I do appreciate the power of the AD300 Pro when it's combined with a Gobo modifier. If you got the chance and used one before, you know that this kind of modifiers require a lot of output power in order to draw the shadows in your scene. I mean, when Gobo is combined with other sorts of lights. Let me put this one a little bit lower. So I was able to make some cool product images for a client with the AD300 Pro attached to a Gobo modifier with an AD200 Pro as a fill light with a softbox on the side. The light shapes and shadows out of the Gobo look pretty natural. The shadows brought life to images and make them pop out. And eventually the client was pleased with the results and got excited about more images. Godox AD300 Pro comes with what I call a humble stand mount. Of course it works, but it's not convenient for me. And it's the same mount that also comes with the AD100 Pro and AD200 Pro models. But instead, I recommend using Godox S2 bracket. It's solid and got a better user experience and also supports bounce mount modifiers. So I can use all my softboxes, all my other softboxes with this light. Get yourself one and put your mind at rest. AD300 Pro is such a powerful and compact strobe. Definitely I understand the concept behind this product is keeping gear compact and portable. Therefore the AD-S85W Parabolic softbox is an excellent combination with the AD300 Pro. FYI, the same parabolic softbox also works with the 400 Pro. So this softbox is versatile and compact. It got an umbrella foldable style and 16-sided hexagon shape. And what's more interesting, that it features multiple modifiers in one product. Let me show you. First, there is the softbox itself. As usual, 2 layers of diffusion. Inner and outer diffusion layers, and a grid. But here we got 2 small reflectors that can turn this softbox into a beauty dish. Each reflector comes with 2 sides, so in total we get 4 styles: white, mix between silver and gold, gold and silver. Now I will be testing each modifier and put all the images side by side, so you get an idea what each modifier is capable to do.
Looks nice. Wow. This one. Your head to this side and close your eyes.
First we get the softbox with 2 diffusion layers. A grid is added now to this setup. And next we get white reflector beauty dish. Never mind the shadow on the background. Now is the silver reflector beauty dish. This is a gold reflector beauty dish. And finally the mix of gold and silver reflector beauty dish. Let's get all the images next to each other. Personally, I like the most the image with the softbox and the grid. The grid kills the light to travel so much to the background, and that's eventually my style. Now the white reflector beauty dish. It got less saturated skin, sharper edges, and more shadows on the neck. But to be honest, I didn't place the beauty dish as it should be. In fact, I kept it at the same position as the original softbox. Anyhow, with the silver reflector beauty dish, I can see more skin reflection. I mean, the skin is shinier, and the edges are a bit sharper than the original image. And when jumping to the gold reflection beauty dish, the skin gets warmer, and kind of not my favorite style. Finally, we get the mix of gold and silver reflector beauty dish. Technically, it's a mix between gold and silver reflectors. It got a warm tone, but not as much as the gold level, which is pretty convenient. The AD300 Pro is a decent portable strobe. It got a lot of power in one compact machine. The softbox is cool and features multiple modifiers. And if you're planning to get such a setup yourself, you get my positive review. It's one of the decent flashes I tried. I hope this video helped in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you guys in another one.